Goa government has now appealed against Tarun Tejpal's trial court order in the sexual assault case. Goa government says the order reveals the survivor's identity. Also says, as per this order, every survivor has to exhibit trauma. Trial court, remember, had earlier acquitted ex-Tehelka editor Tarun Tejpal. Okay, so important information coming in with the Goa government now deciding to challenge the trial court's order. The Goa government has appealed against the trial court's order acquitting Tarun Tejpal, the former editor of the Tehelka magazine. The trial court had acquitted Tarun Tejpal, saying that the evidence against him did not add up and there were contradictions with the survivors' versions in court. Let me go across to Sandhya joining me on the phone line. Sandhya, this is important again that the Goa government has decided to take it upon itself to challenge the trial court's decision. Take us through the details, please. Sandhya, if you can hear me, tell us more details about the Goa government's decision now to step up and challenge the trial court's order of acquitting Tarun Tejpal.
Yes, Afrida. So it was earlier that Goa government decided that they are going to file an appeal against this particular order of Goa trial court. So today, Goa bench of Bombay High Court heard the matter for the first time. And let me take you through the important things which happened today, Afrida. So it started with the state government first informing the court that how they did not receive the order copy on time. They received the physical copy only on 25th of May and the online copy is yet to be uploaded. So they need more time to go through the order and amend their appeal accordingly. Now, after that, this is what the state government told the court, that the most serious thing about this order was that on various pages, in various instances, the identity of the victim is disclosed in this particular order of trial court, and that is actually a criminal thing. According to the law, under no circumstances the identity of a victim of sexual assault can be revealed. Talking about that bit, the state government explained that how at times her husband's name, her mother's name, her email ID, reference to her school friends and their identity, that has been disclosed. So the Goa bench of Bombay High Court has ordered that before this particular order is uploaded online, all the parts where the references are made which can lead to revealment of the identity of the victim, that has to be redacted by the trial court. That's one important thing which took place, Afrida. And apart from that, another thing which the court mentioned, remember when the trial court judgment came at that time, one of the observations which was made by the court, that the behavior of the victim was not how a sexual assault victim behaves. And that is something which has actually has invited a lot of anger and displeasure across the country. So commenting on that, state government said, the lawyer representing state government said that for the first time in our Indian judicial system, it was mentioned in the order that victim did not behave the way she should have behaved, which means that as per this judgment, every victim of sexual assault has to exhibit her trauma, otherwise she won't be believed. So these were the important observations which were arguments which were made by the state government in the court of Frida. And Bombay High Court, Goa bench of Bombay High Court has now kept the matter till on 2nd of June, as the state government has sought more time to go through the order of trial court, Afrida.
Okay, 2nd of June is the next date we'll look out for. It's important, Sandhya, what you pointed out, that the fact that the trial court says that the survivor did not exhibit trauma, that has really raised a lot of questions over this verdict. Thanks for joining us with the latest information.